Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In this video, I'm going to show all you Nexo users how to switch your collateral to avoid a liquidation event. In one of my past Nexo videos, I talked about a layering strategy. A few patrons reached out to me and they expressed interest in pursuing this strategy with Nexo. And even though I don't think we're going to get a deep retracement like we got back in March with the liquidity crisis, I still think it's valuable to learn how to use this new feature provided by the Nexo platform, because it could save you a lot of time and money. If you have any questions after watching this video, or if you're just a huge fan of Nexo, I have an entire channel in my Discord dedicated to Nexo Talk. So if you're looking for a forum to share thoughts and insights, make sure you guys check out that Discord channel. And if you're not a big fan of Discord, at the very least, I'd recommend checking me out on Twitter. You'll get to learn more about me and the projects that I'm interested in. Both the links to my Discord channel and my Twitter profile can be found in the description below. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive into this video. Alright, to begin with, let me show you guys how to use the new exchange feature. To my knowledge, it's only available on the mobile app. It's not available on the web application yet. So if you don't have the mobile app downloaded, I would do that right now. Once you've downloaded the mobile app, you click down here on exchange, and here on the screen, you decide which currency you want to pay with and which currency you want to receive. So for example, if I click here on ETH, I can choose the currency that I want to sell. And if I click to the right on receive, I can select the currency that I want to buy. Once you've made your selections, down here at the bottom, click on preview exchange and approve of the transaction. Now for the time being, you can't sell into Nexo tokens and you can't use your Nexo tokens to buy other currencies. But through the app, they will redirect you to Challengey, where you can use your Visa credit card to buy Nexo tokens. The fees using Challengey versus the Nexo platform are going to be higher. But again, at the time being, this is your only way to get Nexo tokens through the platform. If you're looking to acquire the Nexo tokens and you don't want to pay the high fees on Challengey, I'm going to include links to exchanges where you guys can buy the Nexo token in the description below. Now, if you're wondering what the value proposition of the token is, I did a recent review covering the potential of the Nexo token. For any prospective Nexo token buyer out there, I would highly recommend that you guys watch that video review that I'm going to link in the description below. Now let's transition over to talking about how to switch your collateral type. To access it on the mobile application, you click here on wallet, and you would do the exact same thing on the web wallet. They have a similar icon available next to the asset. So we'll go ahead and click on that wallet, and here you can actually switch which assets you want in your savings wallet and which assets you want in your credit line wallet. The assets that you have in your credit line wallet act as your collateral from when you want to take out a loan. The assets in your savings wallet accumulate interest. So if you want your tokens to earn the following rates, you have to make sure that they're in your savings account and not in your collateral account. Now, I do want to highlight that if you want to do this, you have to have a credit line that's available to you. If, let's say, the value of your assets falls too much too fast and your credit line is zero, you won't be able to switch between your credit line and savings wallet. So to switch your collateral type, what you're going to have to do is send an asset from your savings wallet to your credit line wallet. But for the purpose of this video, let's assume that we have sufficient funds in our credit line wallet and we have a positive credit line balance. So for example, let's say I had some Ethereum in my credit line wallet, but I was concerned because the market conditions got volatile, and I thought there's a possibility that Ethereum could fall significantly in value. And because of this, I want to switch my collateral type from Ethereum to another collateral that's more stable. What I would have to do is move my Ether from my credit line wallet to my savings wallet. Once I've completed that step, I can then exchange Ethereum for any asset that I want. So for example, I can go back here and I can actually sell my Ethereum for any asset that I want. And let's say I want to be super conservative and I want to sell into USDC. I can go ahead and select USDC here. And by executing this transaction, I'll sell Ethereum into USDC. I could then go ahead and click on the wallet, select USDC here. I then go ahead and click here to the right on the arrows. And from here, I can move my USDC into my credit line wallet. Switching from Ethereum to, let's say, USDC will benefit you in two ways if you think the market is going to go down. Number one, your odds of getting liquidated go down substantially. And secondly, given the higher LTV value of your stablecoin asset, more of your assets will now be eligible to earn interest. Now, if you guys were looking for a decentralized option, I'd suggest that you guys give Aave a look. I've done a video tutorial and a video review on Aave. I recommend that you guys check those videos out. This is an alternative to Nexo. If you're open to paying the high gas fees, in a lot of ways, Aave is superior to Nexo. For example, you can take out higher LTV ratios, and switching between your collateral is a lot easier. But if you're working with a smaller balance, or maybe you don't want to deal with the gas fees on Ethereum, in that setting, Nexo would be the better option of the two. After watching this video, if you guys still need some guidance, you guys need some additional help, aside from joining my Discord channel, you can have one-on-one dialogue with me if you join one of my higher Patreon tiers, or you could reach out to me directly on Twitter or Discord, and we can negotiate a customized tier that would best suit your needs. With that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is CryptoOneStop signing out. I'll talk to you folks next time. Bye.